Hi there, and welcome. Sometimes we just need a gentle boost to shift our energy. The words we repeat to ourselves throughout the day have a powerful effect on our mood and beliefs. These affirmations are chosen to help you uplift your spirit and invite more positive energy into your day. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. In this meditation, I will present key, powerful affirmations that will help to guide your reality, to draw in beautiful, positive energy, and lead you to feel more vibrant. I will repeat the affirmation twice and leave space for you to say it to yourself, either out loud or in your mind. It is most effective if you listen daily while in a calm state, so let's begin by taking in 2 deep breaths. I am open to receiving positive energy. I am open to receiving positive energy. My energy is calm and vibrant. My energy is calm and vibrant. I am surrounded by positive energy. I am surrounded by positive energy. Every breath fills me with light. Every breath fills me with light. I radiate peace and positivity. I radiate peace and positivity. I choose to focus on what uplifts me. I choose to focus on what uplifts me. I release what no longer serves my highest good. I release what no longer serves my highest good. I am connected to a powerful source of positive energy. I am connected to a powerful source of positive energy. My spirit is nourished and vibrant. My spirit is nourished and vibrant. I am a magnet for good things. I am a magnet for good things. My heart is open to joy. My heart is open to joy. I am grateful for the positive energy within and around me. I am grateful for the positive energy within and around me. I trust the unfolding of my journey. I trust the unfolding of my journey. I am exactly where I need to be. I am exactly where I need to be. Positive energy flows through me effortlessly. Positive energy flows through me effortlessly. I am strong, capable, and resilient. I am strong, capable, and resilient. I honor my unique path and purpose. I honor my unique path and purpose. I am at peace with myself and the world. I am at peace with myself and the world. As we gently bring this session of positive energy affirmations to a close, take a deep final breath. Place your hands on your heart, sealing in this beautiful positive energy. Feel it flowing through every part of your being, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. You are a source of light, and you are connected to an abundant flow of good. May this feeling stay with you, empowering your day. Remember the affirmations that resonated most deeply. You are worthy of all good things, and your words are powerful. Choose them wisely and lovingly. Wishing you a calm mind and body. Until next time, may the love of the universe be yours.